सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं कर्वावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ नमस्ते, स्वागतम, buongiorno, buonasera, depending on which part of the world you are in. Thank you for joining me again. A very beautiful morning here, celebrating Buddha Purnima or Chitra Paurnami. And we have had an amazing session of Prana and Aparna awareness. And even just guiding people through the practice itself, even if I don't do it, guiding people through it is like me doing it. And it's one of those spin-offs of teaching, is the more you teach, the more you learn. And that is why sharing is caring, because when you start to share, it shows you care. And when you care, you share, and you grow in the process. You're never the loser for sharing. You're never the loser for caring. That is a message for this morning. Let us go into the Bhramari Pranayama. Contemplate the beautiful harmony you have earned through the practice of 27 rounds of the Brahmari. The beautiful harmonious balance from within. The point of balance lies on the golden mean, not in the extremes. Extremes pull us apart, tear us apart. But when we harmonize ourselves in the golden mean, we find that point of balance, that point of samatvam, that point of sukham. And at that point we can be ourselves, because we are not being converted into something else, transformed or mutated or mutilated into anything else, or warped into anything else by the kleshas. When we are established in our own point of balance, we are in that state of sukham. It's a sukhasthanam. It is a point where we are ourselves. We are established in that swa, the self, astu, swastu. And that swas is that state of wellness, health, a dynamic sense of being well, experiencing the optimal level of health from within. A state where all the doshas, all the agnis, everything is in sama. Samadosha, sama agnischa, samadhatu, as the traditional definition of swast goes. That sama, that balance, a steady state of balance, a homeostatic balance that enables us to come back to our balance even when we lose it. When the doshas are in sama, sama dosha, when the agni The metabolic fires are in balance, Sama Agni. And when all the dhatus are in balance, Sama Dhatu. A beautiful harmonious sense of balance arising out of a sense of ease and completeness, wholesomeness, Purnam, enabling the experience of satiety, contentment, serenity, santosham. And that santosham and that sukham, that ease, enabling a beautiful sense of bliss, anandam to manifest. Realizing from within, anandam, anandam, satchitanandam, as a reality of experience. Begin to move your fingers, rubbing them together and placing the warm palms over your eyes, your forehead, and Ashwin. If we want to help others, if we want to be of use to others, it is important that we are stable. It is important that we are attuned to ourselves. Only then can we help others. If we are imbalanced, how can we help anybody else? And that is why the 27 rounds of Brahmari enabling us to be balanced. So when we make our sankalpa, it is coming from a state of balanced harmony and stability. Sthira Sukham is manifesting within. Join me for the sankalpa. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. Cheering on each and every soul who's doing the best at this point of time. Making sure that we are there to support those who need to be supported. Those who are fulfilling their dharma. Those who are working out their karma. Those karma yogis who are doing their best for humanity at this point of time. Let us cheer them on. Let us remember that we need to be a cheerleader. We need to be a cheerleader for these wonderful human beings. Cheering them on. Letting them know that we are there for them. And that qualitatively and quantitatively, we are there to support them. That they are keeping the flag of humanity flying. And that is why it is so important, really, really so important that we, as a race, start to develop this beautiful feeling of gratitude, thankfulness. Because without gratitude, can we truly be human? And from gratitude springs a sense of seva, service. Because we realize we have been given something, so we need to give back. And that is why seva, or selfless service, which is based on nishkama karma, has to spring from gratitude. We have to have gratitude for life, gratitude for Mother Nature, and gratitude to this planet. We conclude today with the Shanti Mantra. Om Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu सर्वे जनाः सुखिनो भवन्तु। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। May we all be blessed. Hari Om Tat Sat.